Ever watch someone get their peanut butter confiscated at TSA and think that can't be real? It is, along with 13 other items that sound completely made up. Some of these bans will blow your mind. Let's dive in. Welcome aboard Fast Track Flyer, where we turn confusing TSA rules into clear strategies. TSA bans the obvious stuff. Weapons, explosives, dangerous materials, that makes sense. But then there are items that seem completely harmless until TSA pulls them out of your bag. Today we're breaking down 14 items that surprise travelers every single day in 2025. From pantry staples to beauty products to childhood toys. You won't believe some of these are actually banned. Let's start with something from your kitchen that breaks the internet every time TSA mentions it. Peanut butter. Anything over 3.4 ounces gets confiscated from carry-on. Why? TSA officially classifies peanut butter as a liquid. Their logic? A liquid has no definite shape and takes the shape of its container. Peanut butter fits this definition. So does Nutella, tahini, hummus, any spreadable item. The Fast Track Flyer workaround? Travel-size containers under 3.4 ounces in your quart bag, or pack full jars in checked luggage, or make a peanut butter sandwich before security. Solid food is fine. The jar itself? That's a liquid. Weird? Absolutely. But it's the rule. Here's a brand new ban from August 2025 that caught everyone off guard. Cordless curling irons and flat irons with butane fuel or lithium batteries. These are now banned from checked luggage. The reason? Fire hazard in the cargo hold, where no one can put it out. If these tools overheat or catch fire in checked bags, crew has no access. That's dangerous. So TSA moved them to carry on only. The Fast Track Flyer rule? Cordless tools must go in carry-on with safety covers over heating elements. Spare gas cartridges are completely banned. Can't bring them at all. Regular plug-in curling irons and flat irons? Still fine in both carry-on and checked bags. This is a new rule. Many travelers don't know yet. Now you do. This one became famous. Cupcake Gate 2012. A traveler in Las Vegas had a cupcake in a jar confiscated. TSA's explanation: the frosting was a gel. Thick layer of frosting in a jar counts as liquid. Must follow 3.4 ounce rule. Regular cupcake with thin layer of icing on top? That's fine. It's a solid food item. But a jar full of frosting? Liquid rule applies. This includes all frosting, icing, decorating gel, cake filling. If you can squeeze it, spread it, or pipe it, TSA counts it as a liquid. The Fast Track Flyer tip: TSA even clarified this during Christmas season. Gingerbread house kits are fine. The candy and structure pieces are solid. But if the kit includes frosting or icing, that part must follow liquid rules. Under 3.4 ounces or it's confiscated. That cute souvenir snow globe you bought on vacation might not make it home in your carry-on. If the liquid inside exceeds 3.4 ounces, it's banned from carry-on. Most snow globes fail this test. The water, glycerin, or other liquid inside is way over the limit. TSA doesn't care that the liquid is sealed inside. Still counts. Still banned. The Fast Track Flyer solution? Pack snow globes in checked luggage with lots of bubble wrap, or ship them home. Don't risk losing that $30 souvenir at security. Bringing salsa home from your trip? TSA says that's a liquid. Queso dip? Liquid. Hummus? Liquid. Guacamole? Liquid. Cream cheese? Liquid. Cheese dip? Liquid. Basically, any spreadable food item follows the liquid rule. Doesn't matter if it's chunky, doesn't matter if it seems solid. If you can spread it, TSA classifies it as a liquid. The Fast Track Flyer rule: under 3.4 ounces in your quart bag or checked luggage only. Most salsa jars are 16 ounces minimum, way over the limit. Want to bring cheese? Solid cheese blocks are fine. Soft, spreadable cheese like brie or cream cheese? That's a liquid. Hard cheese like cheddar? Solid food, no restrictions. Those reusable gel heating pads for sore muscles? Banned from carry-on unless completely frozen solid. The gel inside counts as liquid. If it's even partially melted or squishy, it follows the 3.4 ounce rule. Most gel packs are way bigger than that. Medical ice packs are allowed if completely frozen. The second they start thawing, liquid rule kicks in. The Fast Track Flyer alternative: use stick-on heat patches. Those are solid and allowed without restrictions. Or pack gel heating pads in checked luggage where there are no liquid limits. Taking kids to a theme park? That foam sword from the gift shop stays in checked bags. TSA bans anything that resembles a weapon regardless of what it's made of. Foam sword looks like a weapon. Banned from carry-on. Could cause panic. Could be mistaken for real. Doesn't matter that it's soft foam. The fast-track flyer tip: pack foam weapons in checked bags, or buy them at your destination after flying. Real swords are obviously banned everywhere, but even toys that look like weapons can't go in carry-on. Quick pause. I've put together a full TSA banned and restricted items checklist so you don't miss anything. Grab the link in the description. Cooking spray is completely banned. Can't bring it in carry-on. Can't bring it in checked bags. Nowhere. The reason? Aerosol cans with flammable propellants pose fire and explosion risks. Most cooking sprays are way over 3.4 ounces and contain highly flammable contents. The fast-track flyer alternative: pack small bottles of regular cooking oil in checked luggage following liquid rules. Olive oil, vegetable oil, whatever you need, just not aerosol spray. Or buy cooking spray when you arrive. Don't risk bringing aerosol cans on planes. This specific phone model has been completely banned from all flights since October 2016. Battery defects caused the phones to overheat, catch fire, and explode. Samsung discontinued it. FAA permanently banned it. You cannot bring a Galaxy Note 7 on any flight. Carry-on or checked? Nowhere. Period. The fast-track flyer note: if you somehow still own one, time to upgrade. Other smartphones are fine. Just this specific model is banned forever. Strike Anywhere matches are completely banned from planes. Can't bring them anywhere. The reason? These matches can ignite from friction or heat without needing a striking surface. Extreme fire hazard in luggage or cargo. The fast-track flyer alternative: regular safety matches are allowed in carry-on only. One lighter is allowed in carry-on only. Nothing in checked bags. But Strike Anywhere matches stay home completely. Too dangerous. Alcohol over 140 proof or 70% alcohol by volume is banned from all luggage. Extremely flammable. Risk of ignition in cargo holds. Anything over 70% ABV is classified as hazardous material. The fast-track flyer rule: wine, beer, and spirits under 140 proof are fine in checked bags with quantity limits. Anything stronger is banned completely. Want to bring that bottle of Everclear or overproof rum? Can't do it. Leave it home or ship it separately. This surprises everyone. Spare lithium batteries cannot go in checked luggage. Carry on only. The reason? Lithium batteries can overheat and cause fires. In the cabin, flight crew can respond immediately. In the cargo hold, fires spread unchecked with no one there to stop them. This includes spare camera batteries, drone batteries, power banks, external chargers, e-cigarettes, and vapes. All must stay in carry-on where passengers and crew can monitor them. The fast-track flyer clarification: batteries installed in devices can go in checked bags. Your laptop, camera, phone in checked luggage? Fine. Spare loose batteries or power banks? Must be in carry-on. Store them properly to prevent short circuits. This is a serious safety rule with good reasoning behind it. All fireworks are banned everywhere. Carry-on and checked bags. No exceptions. Consumer fireworks, sparklers, firecrackers, even novelty items. They contain explosive materials, prohibited year-round. TSA catches these constantly, especially around July 4th. People try to bring fireworks home as souvenirs. Doesn't work. The fast-track flyer note: novelty items like glow sticks are fine. Those don't contain explosives, but anything that actually explodes, sparks, or pops is banned completely. Number 1 on the list because it's the most serious and most frequently confiscated. Firearms in carry-on bags, strictly prohibited. Even bringing a firearm to the checkpoint accidentally results in massive consequences. Fines up to $15,000 for first offense. Law enforcement gets called. You might get arrested. You lose TSA pre-check eligibility for 5 years minimum. Second violation, permanent disqualification and even higher penalties. The fast-track flyer clarification: unloaded firearms are allowed in checked bags only. Must be locked in a hard-sided case. Must be declared to the airline at check-in. Very specific rules apply. Having a concealed carry permit doesn't matter. Constitutional carry jurisdictions don't matter. TSA rules override state laws at checkpoints. Firearms in carry-on are never allowed. 14 surprising TSA bans for 2025. Peanut butter and all spreadable foods follow liquid rules. Cordless hair tools with batteries banned from checked bags. Cupcake frosting, snow globes, Gel packs count as liquids. Salsa, hummus, queso, all banned over 3.4 ounces. Foam toy weapons can't go in carry-on. Cooking spray completely banned. Galaxy Note 7 phones forever prohibited. Strike anywhere, matches nowhere allowed. High-proof alcohol, spare lithium batteries in checked bags, all fireworks and firearms in carry-on all banned. TSA isn't making these rules to annoy you. Each ban has safety reasoning behind it. Now you know what to avoid. If any of these items shocked you, smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. We're breaking down every confusing TSA rule so you never get caught off guard at security. Don't forget to download the full TSA banned and restricted items checklist. Link in the description and pinned comment. Unsure about a specific item? Use TSA's What Can I Bring tool at TSA.gov or text AskTSA at 275872. They answer questions 365 days a year. What's the most surprising item TSA ever confiscated from you? Drop your story in the comments. We read every single one. Until next time, this is Fast Track Flyer. Know the rules, pack smart, travel stress-free.